Here's a football I think you'll really like. Hey, this is Jim from TTPM with the Dude Perfect Ultra Grip Football. Now, I've played with a lot of Dude Perfect items. This by far is my favorite. Now, this football is really easy to grip. It has a rubber that's not too slippery, but it's real easy to catch. Now, one of the other things I love about this football, it has fake laces. They're made out of rubber, but it's on both sides. You can throw this football pretty far, and it's real easy to catch, which is great for younger kids. We had no problem throwing a spiral, and I will say this, and I don't say this about too many products, this is by far my favorite toy football I've ever seen because of the quality of the materials, how soft it is, easy to catch, and easy to throw. This is from Hasbro ages 6 and up. For where to buy and current pricing, come visit us at TTPM, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great reviews every day of toys, tots, pets, and more.